So right now, here's a little update on my Iron Condor on ASTS. I put this Condor initially Friday afternoon. I did sell, I did buy the put side. I bought it back this morning because it was significantly out of the money because the price of ASTF went up during the weekend. Um, But eventually at 3:30 this afternoon, we are Monday today, I did sell the short side, the put short the put wing of the Condor. I sold it back at 76. Initially, I had sold it at I think 73. Um, it's a 76.69, and the price was approximately $85, the price of the stock at that time. Then the and I still had my original call wing at 90.98. What I did is I sold the second call wing at 96, I think 103, 104. So what happened is that the price kind of inched up until the stock market closed at 415. Then the earnings came out and the stock rallied up to around $92, and I was a little scared because at $92, my initial call wing had been breached because the initial call wing was at 90.98. So I was over $90 at 92, so I was standing at a loss, potential loss of $92 at expiration, which is March 6th. But my second call wing at 96.103 was great, was doing good. Of course, my put wing at 76, 69. I'm actually looking to roll it up tomorrow to 80 something, depending on where the price is. Possibly roll it up to like 10 points tomorrow for the March 6th expiration. But I'm just looking at what the price is going to be tomorrow. So I got some advice from Gemini, and I also got some advice from Grok about where they think the price might be tomorrow and what I should do. At least I'm gonna wait for the IV crush to set in and see how much money am I in, how much money am I standing to make if I just close my trades. Said, should I roll it for next week? Let's say, because now I've got three wings. I've got two call wings. I've got one put wing, and they're all doing good at that time because the price is around 90, 80, $89 right now. If the price stays in that range, I should be able to close pretty much all three wings tomorrow at a profit. And should I just like roll them for the next expiration date, which should be March something, maybe like next week, I think next Friday. I've got to look at the option chain and to pump more money out of it. The Gemini seems to say that I should just like close the trade and pocket the premiums. You know, take profits and close, which is recommended. If the stock opens flat or slightly up and you are at 50 to 75% of max profit, the textbook move is to close the trade entirely. You have survived the earnings binary event. Gamma risk, the risk of a sudden price swing wiping out gains, is highest in the last 3 days of an option's life. Don't let a winning trade turn into a losing one for the sake of the last few dollars of premium. Or should I roll it to the next expiry, which is March 13th? Only consider rolling if you want to stay short volatility and collect more premium. If the stock tests your $90 strike tomorrow morning, by rolling now, you can usually do so for a net credit, moving your strikes further and buying yourself another week of time. The catch, implied volatility, IV, usually drops after earnings. IV crush, that means the premium you received for the March 13 expiry will be significantly lower than what you got when you sold the March 6 expiration. Check the pre-market. If ASTS is trading above 89, your upper wing is in trouble. Be prepared to roll up and out or close for a small loss immediately. The profit rule, if you're up 50% or more on the total position tomorrow morning, take the money and run. ASTS is too jumpy to risk a late week rally or sell-off. Avoid the lotto mentality. Don't hold until Friday afternoon unless the stock is perfectly centered at 83. So, I just might just take the money tomorrow and leave it at that. It all depends where everything is gonna be after the IV crush, which I think should be pretty much done at 12 midday tomorrow. So because I'm actually planning to do some more earnings trades like every single day of the week. I did it every single day last week, and things turned out fine. So looking to trade something else tomorrow morning. So if I can get my money back, because my account isn't like in the millions of dollars right now. My margin is certainly not in the millions, and so I've got to make some room to get to get some more margin for some more trades. So that's about it for STS. It was a pretty good trade tonight. So I'll come back tomorrow for some more of my trades that I'll be doing tomorrow. Have a good night.